I became aware of a massive correlation between people being LGBT and people being homeless. The purpose of this event was to give opportunities for these people who have experienced homelessness and have become refugees due to being LGBT, to tell their stories and present that in an immersive experience for people to hear.
I'm feeling, I suppose, a little bit nervous.
It was very affecting. The darkness and the intimacy really created a focus on the stories that were being told. You had this sort of sense of claustrophobia that was amplified by the music especially.
Not what I expected.
It wasn't the easiest thing to listen to, but I think it was definitely important for the message to be out there.
It was really, really impressive and really, really powerful.
These people need a voice, so I want to come and, in a way, support them as well.
I'd love to put another event on like this, simply because it's given me the opportunity to meet new people and kind of present an artistic vision that I've had with a lot of creative freedom that Manchester International Festival have offered.